So I stopped talking because there's a fucking car to the right of me and it was abandoned for ages, and right as soon as I started talking, a lady turned up and got into the car and could see me and hear me and everything. So I hate that weird superstitious coincidentality about life. Maybe that's a vlog topic. You just sometimes, I have this saying that I say, this is almost enough to make me believe in the existence of a deity. Almost. That's a phrase I use for when events like this happen, where it's like kind of some sort of magic has happened. Kind of like something has happened and it seems too coincidental. Like you're having the worst day possible and you're saying like, there's no way that this day could get any worse. And then right after you say that, something happens to make it even worse. Or you just be like thinking of something that couldn't possibly happen in the day, or that you think is quite rare that wouldn't happen in your day. Like you're thinking about it, like what if I saw a colourful bird today or something? Nah, that'd never happen. And then right that moment you see it, like a colourful bird lands in your view, you're like, and it's like, it's the sort of thing that would make other people, not me, believe in gods and magic and spirituality and things like that. Sometimes shit like that happens, bad and good. So there's a little fucking mini vlog topic. What do we call that? Superstition and coincidence.